Hi everybody, it's me, Shine. I wanted to do a quick live here to say hello. I know it's been a few days that hindi ako live. It's because we've been live dun sa online Christmas craft day every day. Since Tuesday up until Sunday, we're gonna be live. Just doing demos, some crafting activities, and a lot of raffling off of the prices. Ayan na. So, I wanted to just show you guys the grand prize that we're giving away this Sunday to one lucky participant dun sa online Christmas craft day. But at the same time, it's also my machine. So, sabi ko, I'll do it na sabay. And I wanted to show you guys my creative hack because of my limited space. So, pardon the kalat that you're gonna see, okay? So, tchanan! We are giving away a Cricut Explore Air 2. It's the candy apple machine, okay? And this is the hack. So I was asking John, I said, can I buy a table? But look at my space. It's so limited and it's so magulo. Yan. Limited yung space ko. So yesterday, I was at my parents' house and I found a shoe rack. So I figured, you know what? Hello, let me see if this will work for me, right? Okay, so let me just figure out how I'm gonna connect this to the... Ay, shockers. Wait lang. Hindi ko siya makabit. Dali guys. Wait a minute. Alright. Sorry. Ayan, okay. So, I'm going to show you the Cricut. Can you see me? Parang mali. Dapat yata I made it baliktad. Okay, hold on. Take two. Ano ba to? Ayan. Take two. There! Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Hello, Miss Shine. Got my Cricut. So happy. Oh, yay. So happy to hear that. Okay, so I'm gonna move here. There, much better. So I am going to put my Cricut here. Okay. Angel, nag-PM po me. Thank you. Okay, I will check it later. We're just getting ready to go out with the kids. Nag-ask sila ng no school today. So, it comes with a mat. So, I'm gonna put it here. And of course, it comes with the instructions. Ganyan. And, wait lang. Dali lang, guys. Just give me space. Joke lang. Okay. So, this is the Cricut Explore Air 2 in Candy Apple Red. Okay? Yan. So, ito, nandito na yung nasa Philippines na ata. I have to just double check with Ate Naisi. But, this is the machine that we will be raffling off on Sunday. Yan. So, I really started looking into not making stickers. Hindi ako ma-stickers. Hindi ako marunong gumawa ng stickers. But I want to make die cuts. Kasi I wanna enhance yung teaser boxes na ginagawa ko for you guys. So, I decided to go ahead and open my Cricut machine. Tcharan! Here it is. So, it's gonna face... Shucks, I hope this works. I think it's gonna work. Or maybe I will make patong. I have to cut a cardboard. I'll probably cut the flap. Right? But just for you guys to see, hold on parang malabo yung camera. There. Just for you guys to see the Explore Air. Ito siya. Yan. So nice. With this much, so I have the Cricut Joy. This one. It's very small. It sits there. It's perfect for quick projects like tags. Small lang. Small projects. Yeah, with black leggings. So nice. Yeah. Maybe I'll change also. So we can matchy. But for the... Love you. Brush your teeth, please. But for projects like vinyl, projects such as ephemera, yung print and cut. If you guys want to make stickers, this is the machine that you want to use, okay? So, let's continue unpacking it. Yan. Shucks, wait lang. Natatakot ako kasi baka mag-slide siya. But I'm going to definitely put a cardboard here on top. Oh, that's our rice. You can eat in a few minutes. I'll put a cardboard here para hindi siya dudulas. And the reason why I want it here is para I can just plug it dun sa laptop ko. Tapos tuloy-tuloy lang siyang magka-cut. But, we have one extra unit. No, it won't burn, baby. We have one extra unit available when the shipment arrives.
Mom,
no?
can I have this?
Yeah, you can have it. And then this one too, the other one. So, ta-da! There you go. That is the Cricut Explore Air 2. And it comes complete with, there, you can hide stuff in here, like yung mga extra blades. Okay, let me remove the camera so that you guys can see it. There. So, you can put the extra blades here. Okay. You can put some of your pens if you want to use pens. This is the head. So, dito yung pen, scoring tool, and other gadgets. Ito yung blade. Okay? You also have parang a space where you can put your tools and whatnot. And then, ito yung, kung may cartridge pa, yan, I'll show you guys. You can still use your old cartridges. I have some cartridges. I think I gave it, I think they're still in the Philippines. And the Cricut Explore Air 2 can cut a lot of materials, you guys. As in, if you ask me, I think if you have the right blade and the right mat, you should be able to cut fabric. But don't quote me on that. So there, this is the Cricut Explore Air 2. And like I said, I put it on a shoe rack so that I have space. I can slide it in under my table. That's my little table. There. And then I have this here because I want to start personalizing some items also. So I have vinyl. Dito ko i-organize yung vinyl ko. Yan. And then I have space underneath here for maybe cardstock, paper.
Your boxes smells like suka.
Really? My box smells like suka? How do you know what suka smells like? Talaga tong batang to. Alright. So, just wanted... Say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Where are you going today?
Walmart.
Walmart. Yeah. So, we just wanted to show you. We're so excited to be giving away that Cricut to one lucky winner. Of course, meron pang ibang prizes na pamimigay on Sunday. Please don't sit there, darling. I need that box. But thank you everybody for joining me in my quick unboxing today. And I will see you next week for our Black Friday sale. Bye!